Hey everyone, Dave here. On some headsets, you'll notice that there is this Microsoft Teams logo on one of the buttons. In this video, I'm going to share with you why it's there and what it'll do for you. The Microsoft Teams button is designed to enhance your experience when using Microsoft Teams. So what the button will do when you're not on a phone call is when you press the Microsoft Teams button, it's going to launch the Microsoft Teams application so it's front and center on your screen so you can quickly navigate your Microsoft Teams application. And if you have a Microsoft Teams meeting scheduled and you get the pop-up notification letting you know that you have a meeting incoming, you can press that same button and it will launch you into the preload screen, which allows you to change the audio and video settings. And if you're ready to hop into the meeting, you can tap it again and it will take you right into the video meeting without actually using your mouse or keyboard. And lastly, if you're in the middle of a video meeting, you can long press the Microsoft Teams button for about 1 to 2 seconds, and it's going to raise your hand in the Microsoft Teams application so that people know that you want to ask a question in case you don't want to disrupt somebody while they're in the middle of speaking, and you can long press the button again in order to lower your hand. Now that's what the Microsoft Teams button specifically does. However, a headset that has the Microsoft Teams button has more features and benefits than that button specifically, as the headset brand has actually paid a licensing type fee with Microsoft Teams in order to get it certified on their list. With this certification, Microsoft has ensured that the product meets their audio quality and performance standards, as well as the headset will be integrated with pre-installed software with the headset so that it works seamlessly with your Microsoft Teams application. So you don't need to download any extra software. It's just plug and play and will work with Microsoft Teams easily. Many companies do not allow third-party software apps to be downloaded without a painstaking vetting process by the security team. That's why a lot of people that work for larger companies are unable to download software, which is typically what has been required in order to get headsets to work with applications like Microsoft Teams. Instead, a headset that is certified with Microsoft Teams, when purchasing, you'll see the option for either a UC version or a Teams version. And you'll also be able to know it's a Teams version if the headset has the Microsoft Teams logo on the headset or that Microsoft Teams purple accent. And what that'll do for you is it has the seamless integration with your Microsoft Teams application, and you don't need to download any additional software. Just plug it into your computer and it will work seamlessly with Microsoft Teams. Of course, the speaker and microphone will work on Microsoft Teams no matter what version you get, but when you're talking about a certified Teams headset, that's where you're going to get the buttons on the headset to actually interact with the Microsoft Teams program. Every headset is a little bit different as far as what features that it offers, but take for example this new Yealink WH64 wireless headset has pretty much every Microsoft Teams feature that you could have on a wireless headset. It's actually a pretty cool headset. If you haven't learned about it, I'll have a link right up here or in the video description below. It has both DECT and Bluetooth technology built into it, really popular for a good price. When you're talking about a phone call that is coming in, you use the call control button that you can answer or end the phone call. Or if you're live on a call, you can hold that button for a few, like 1 to 2 seconds, and you can put the call on hold if you need to ask a coworker something, and then press it again to take the call off of hold. In a Teams call or meeting, you can lift the microphone boom up to mute your microphone or drop it down to unmute on the Teams meeting. And there's also a physical mute button if you want to use that instead to mute or unmute. Keep in mind with the WH64, it has really long wireless range. You can go about 300 feet away from your computer. So it gives you a lot of freedom, and it's directly muting and unmuting your Teams application. So you don't have to run back to your desk and use your mouse to unmute the Teams application. When on an active call, there are two red LED lights on the headset, also referred to as a busy light, so people around you know that you're on a phone call and not to be disrupted, which ultimately helps boost your productivity so that you can get through those calls a little bit quicker. Of course, you also have your volume up, volume down that can be adjusted all wirelessly as well. Now keep in mind, all of these features with the buttons on the headset all work wirelessly directly with your Microsoft Teams application, and especially with that WH64 has up to 300 feet away. So if you have a long video meeting that's kind of dragging on, you can just walk away from your desk, go lay out by the pool, and still fully be able to interact with your Microsoft Teams meeting without actually not being able to participate or having to run back to your desk. There are hundreds of available headset options that are certified for Microsoft Teams: wired, wireless, earpiece wearing style, over the head with a single or a dual ear, and of course you have features like active noise cancellation or ultra noise canceling microphone. If you're looking to deploy Microsoft Teams headsets to a team of people, that's what we do every day here at Headset Advisor. So give our team a call, email, or live chat, and one of our advisors can make a free product recommendation, get you matched with the right product, wearing style, and features for your unique situation. And of course, we can get demos out to you. So reach out to one of our team members, call, email, or live chat. Otherwise, if you're someone that just wants to do your research on your own, we've put together a dedicated page on our website. If you go to headsetadvisor.com/teams, it will give you the best recommendations and in-depth information to the best of our ability, but don't hesitate to contact if you have questions. If you need more microphone noise cancellation, if you work in a loud environment, like you have people talking in the background, like an open office or call center, or even working from home and have kids or dogs barking that's disrupting your calls, we actually just released a new noise canceling software called Neep Noise Canceling Software, which actually uses AI. It's an app you download onto your computer and will remove that unwanted background noise so that you can have more effective phone calls and your customers or colleagues aren't hearing all that disrupting background noise. You can try it for free by going to neep.com and check out this full in-depth review video we did right up here, tested against blenders and all sorts of noises. Other than that, that's all I got for you on this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.